Hello Patrick people, and welcome back. I'm Stephanie, one of the BMW geniuses here at Patrick BMW in Schaumburg, Illinois, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to pair your iPhone to the new iDrive 7.0 as featured in this 19X5. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is, from your main menu in your iDrive 7.0 system, is go to your COM for communications menu. You can do this a couple different ways. You can either just touch the screen where it says COM, or you can use the button right here by your iDrive button and press COM. Either way, it'll get you to the communications menu. So now you're going to want to go to mobile devices. And now we're going to go to new device. And now we want phone calls and audio. So now on your phone, you're going to go to your settings menu, and I actually used one of our generous salesperson's phones, Sal, since I personally don't have an iPhone. And you're going to want to go to your settings menu, select Bluetooth, and now you're going to look for the code that your BMW gives you. So that's going to be BMW 36528. And as you can see right there, it says 36528. So on your phone, you're going to click on that code. Now it should prompt you to pair your phone to pair the phone to the vehicle on your phone. So hit pair. And now on your vehicle, you're going to hit yes. And this is a notification if you would like your contacts to sync up to your vehicle, and they'll be displayed in your iDrive system. We're just going to hit don't allow for now. Now you can see it's communicating with the phone. Let's give it a little bit of time here. Now it's going to say that there is an app not installed that's going to be for your BMW connected drive, so we're just going to ignore that for now. I'll be sure to make another video on the connected drive app. So now, as you can see on your communications menu, your phone is connected and ready to go. So an easy way to go to your phone menu, see this little icon with the phone right here? You can just pull that over to the right, and now you can go to your contacts if they were synced, telephone. You can also access your BMW Assist here, view BMW messages, or pair another device. All right, Patrick people, thank you so much for joining me in pairing our iPhones to the iDrive 7.0. I'll see you next time, Patrick people.